If you're thinking about buying the Holy Stone HS720E drone, hold on for just a minute, because I'm about to reveal some surprising truths that you won't hear in all those glowing reviews. This supposedly easy-to-use 4K drone promises crystal clear footage, stable flight, and a whopping 46 minutes of playtime. But here's what surprised me. It's not all smooth sailing up in the air. Contrary to what you might expect from the specs and slick marketing, the HS720E has some issues that could seriously affect your experience and your footage. So, whether you're a beginner looking for a reliable drone or a seasoned flyer wanting a budget-friendly upgrade, stick around. I'll break down everything you need to know before you hit that buy button. Let's dive into the reality behind the Holy Stone HS720E's promise of a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. On paper, this combination should mean stunning clarity and silky smooth video. The Sony sensor is touted as a step above average, capturing way more detail, and the electric image stabilization, EYES tech, is supposed to reduce shakiness while flying. But here's the twist. Not all users get the Hollywood-style, jitter-free footage they expect. Why? The EIS tech, while good, struggles under certain conditions like windy days and quick camera moves. If you're outdoors on a breezy afternoon, your 4K video might end up looking like it was shot through a vibrating coffee cup. And yes, it's ironic, a drone's footage shaking more than a bobblehead at a rock concert. Now, before you think I'm just nitpicking, let's talk about the flight stability claimed by Holy Stone. With altitude controls utilizing air pressure sensors alongside optical flow, the HS720E is positioned as ideal for beginners getting their wings. GPS assists in location tracking, and there's an automatic return to home function designed to save you from losing your drone in a tree or over a pond. That all sounds like a dream, except that the real-world experience throws some curveballs. GPS can occasionally act like a moody teenager, sometimes spot on, other times it's a bit sluggish in requiring signal after a long flight. This leads to occasional drifting or returning to home late, causing a little heart attack every time your drone decides to take its own scenic route. So while the technology is solid, the real-life reliability can sometimes feel more like a game of hide-and-seek. But wait, there's more to the flight modes that might tempt you. The Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest features are supposed to free your hands and mind to focus on creative shots while the drone does the flying. Sounds amazing, right? Here's where the plot thickens. These modes aren't always as intelligent as advertised. For instance, Follow Me tends to lose track if you move behind obstacles or if the environment is cluttered. Tap Fly can be temperamental also, occasionally misreading the pilot's intentions and heading off in unexpected directions. Imagine your drone turning left when you ordered right, like a rebellious teenager who refuses to take out the trash because they think they know better. Fun for a laugh, but frustrating when you're trying to capture that perfect sunset shot. On to the brushless motors. Holy Stone says these motors give more power, less noise, and longer life than brushed ones, and generally, that's true. Brushless motors are a major plus for anyone wanting a quieter and more durable drone. But the reality is that even the best brushless motor can't save you if maintenance slips. Some owners report that after multiple flights, motors began to strain, leading to less stable flights and more noise. It's not a deal breaker, but it means you'll want to regularly check and clean your drone or risk the quadcopter sounding like a swarm of angry bees. Now, this breeze of noise is fine if you're stalking your neighbor's garden gnome, but less so if you're trying to shoot a peaceful landscape video. And what about the flight time? The 46 minutes of flight time sounds like a dream come true with 2 batteries included, 23 minutes each. But here's the catch. Actual flight times vary based on weather conditions, flight speed, and especially how much you're running those motor-thrashing, aggressive maneuvers. Some users get closer to 18 minutes per battery, which isn't bad but falls short of the 46-minute combined glory. The included carrying bag is a nice touch for portability, though it's a small consolation when you realize 2 flights can evaporate quicker than your enthusiasm on a rainy day. Let's address the 5 GHz FPV transmission the HS720E boasts. Theoretically, this should enable longer and smooth image transfers without lag during your first-person view flying. However, some buyers have noticed signal dropout and occasional interference, depending on their environment, especially in urban areas packed with Wi-Fi networks and other radio signals. It's like trying to have a secret conversation in a crowded party. Someone always ends up overhearing and interrupting. For the casual flyer, this might be a minor annoyance, but if you're trying to live stream or capture live footage without interruptions, it can be frustrating. Now, who exactly is this drone for? If you're a beginner who wants an affordable drone loaded with features like GPS, intelligent flight modes, and a solid camera, the HS720E looks promising. It's also suitable for hobbyists who want to dabble in aerial photography or videography without burning a hole in the wallet. But if you're a professional or serious enthusiast expecting consistently flawless footage and an ultra-responsive flying experience, you might find the HS720E occasionally falling short, especially when conditions aren't perfect. Let me tell you a little story about my first test flight with this drone. The day was sunny with light breezes, perfect flying weather, or so I thought. As soon as I took off, the drone hovered elegantly, satillatively holding position thanks to its optical flow sensors. I switched on follow me mode, expecting some cool shots of me jogging around the park. Instead, the drone lost me behind a tree, spun around, and hovered confused like it had lost its puppy. I had to take manual control and bring it back safely. Talk about loyal. This drone was more like a goldfish with a short memory, adorable but not quite reliable. That moment reminded me why reliable return to home and stable flight are essential beyond just specs. And now for a quick joke break. Why don't drones ever get lost? Because they always take flight paths. Okay, that was a dad joke, but hey, if you're buying a drone, some lightheartedness makes the tech troubles easier to swallow. Despite these quirks, the Holy Stone HS720E has plenty to offer. The camera's 4K resolution combined with the Sony sensor is undeniably impressive in good lighting conditions, so outdoor daylight shooters will appreciate the quality images. The flight controls are intuitive and beginner-friendly once you get the hang of occasional hiccups. Plus, the price isn't going to blow your budget, making it a strong contender for a first serious drone purchase or a budget leisure drone. Another joke for you. What do drones eat for lunch? Microchips. I promise the HS720E spends less time snacking on bugs and more time capturing stunning footage, most of the time. If you're on the fence, here's what I'd recommend. Don't expect perfection right out of the box. Be prepared to invest some time into learning the controls, understanding how your environment affects GPS and FPV signals, and maintain the drone diligently to avoid motor issues. If you can manage those, you'll have a nifty little flyer that delivers solid performance without exhausting your wallet. Let's touch on the accessories briefly. The Fly More kit with 2 intelligent batteries is definitely a highlight, as it significantly extends playtime without waiting around for charging. The carrying bag helps keep everything organized, which is perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. But make sure you check spare parts availability because crashes happen. Yes, drones can be drama queens sometimes. So what's the final verdict? Don't buy the Holy Stone HS720E blindly expecting it to be flawless. But don't write it off either. This drone is a solid all-rounder offering advanced features at a reasonable price, excellent for beginners and casual flyers who want to capture cool aerial shots from their backyard or while hiking. Yes, it has some quirks, but correcting those issues with practice and patience will reward you with surprisingly good footage and fun flying experiences. Before we wrap up, here's a fun question for you. If a drone crashes in the forest and no one is around to film it, did it really crash? Okay, philosophical musings aside, owning any drone means embracing a little chaos, especially with budget-friendly models like this one. Ready to take to the skies with the Holy Stone HS720E. I've got the best Amazon deal linked right below. Check it out and grab your drone at the best price. Remember, with a bit of care and some practice, you'll be making jaw-dropping videos and epic shots that'll make your friends jealous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've had experiences with this drone or want to share your favorite drone jokes. Trust me, the drone community loves a good laugh, just maybe not when their drone won't land properly. Fly safe, shoot sharp, and see you in the next review.